You're one of those people who've seen the Mountain Wind family videos. 1988, family of 7 children and 2 adults living in the wilderness. Then you might have laughed at those. I suggest you look at those first. But as with all things, there are outtakes, and there were plenty of them. Kindly remember that this was 1988. And I knew I was on camera, so a lot of this isn't joking, but it's outtakes from that time. And I thought you'd get a kick out of it, because sometimes the outtakes are actually a lot more funny than the video itself. Here you go. Pick up the ball, dimwit it. Bring it over here. This is on tape. Take! What a bunch of stuff. God. Sorry. Oh. Hi. Welcome to Mountain Wind Family, Part 2. Swing into Spring. I think we'll call this one The Garden. No. I'll think of something. Hang on. Well, before I think, wait, hold it. Take 4. What? Hold it. Turn off a sec. Are you on? Hello? Is my hair straight? Are you on? Hello? No, that's not right. Turn it off.
I don't think you
Hi.
understood me.
You see the red light in the middle now? It's on now? Where was it before?
That car.
Do you, please. Oh, you got it right? Okay. Okay, ready? Tell me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Okay, give it. Go like this. 5, 1, 3. What? Ow! Okay. 4, 3, 2. Safe! Okay, ready? Okay, go. Hi. Welcome to Mountain Wind Family, Part 2. I think we'll call this one The Garden. Let's cut it all. The heck with this stuff.
Talk about genetic deficiency.
Give me the head. Give me the head. All right.
If I could mind you here.
I forgot what I was supposed to say, well, whatever it was. Thank you. Well, what she meant to say, I'm sorry. Are we ready? Okay, yeah. Let's try and get it right. It's getting cold. Okay, turn it on. Goodbye. Get over here. Turn it right. It's on. Oh, my hat. Thank you. It's getting chilly. It's getting very late. We're going to get the introduction to this then, okay? Thank you. Okay, bye. Okay, prop lady. Okay, well, what she meant to say was, welcome to spring. You know, I don't know how to tell you this, but you're not backing up fast. So let's try. Turn the red light. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, give me my hat. Thank you. Okay, it's on. Okay. What she meant to say was, no. This is really dumb. Okay. I'm straight. What she meant to say was, welcome to spring. Of course, that's what she did say. But, you know, I know a lot about video. I've been doing video, directing, acting, things for years now. And I'll tell you one thing, this isn't right. Okay, here, take the hat. Is it on?
Yeah.
Turn it off. Is it on?
Yep.
Okay, give me the hat. I don't want it on now, actually. Okay, it's cold, thank you, goodbye. You know, come here. Hey, listen, just in case, I want to introduce you. This is my daughter. Okay, bye. Okay, now, all right, ready? All right, now this is a take. Give me a 5 on that, 5. Okay. Give me 5. Give me 5. Okay, ready? Oh, well, hell, here's part 2. No, not right. Cut! Follow me back. Try and, like, pace yourself. Slowly, you're going into the ditch. Ready? 1, 2. You know, video is my life. And so there I was, nuts as ever. Let's see, and I still am. Oh, that's right. Check back. We have more things coming for you. Bob Shannon. Bye. bobshannon.org.